Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start with a well-leveled stereo mix normalized around -6 to -3 dBFS, so headroom is maintained. Insert your mastering compressor after any corrective EQ and gentle saturation. Select an optical or VCA style and set a conservative ratio like 1:5 to preserve dynamics. Once done, dial attack into the 10 to 30 millisecond range and choose a medium release around 0.2 to 0.6 seconds so transients remain clear, while overall glue begins to form. Now focus on how much gain reduction the compressor applies. Dial until you see about 1 to 3 dB on program peak so punch stays intact. Make sure to reference LUFS and RMS meters before and after to understand perceived loudness shifts. Once you hear thickening, experiment with parallel compression. Blend a heavier compressed copy with the dry signal, or engage mid-side processing to control center vocals versus sides, because that technique preserves stereo width while adding perceived loudness. Finish by matching the compressor's makeup gain so the processed version equals the bypass level. This prevents bias toward louder-sounding mixes. Then audition in mono, on headphones, monitors, and small speakers to ensure no phase issues or exaggerated pumping. If you encounter pumping or unnatural breathing, try a slower attack, lengthen the release, or reduce the ratio slightly and recheck LUFS. One key troubleshooting tip: if problems persist, bypass and narrow the processing chain. Tackle problem frequencies with
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.